If you've come across Mogalyde.com while shopping for household gadgets, tools, or automotive accessories, you may be wondering whether the site is trustworthy. The prices seem reasonable, the products look useful, and the website advertises secure payments, free shipping, and quality assurance. But is it actually worth buying from? Let's break it down. Before we go further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It should not be taken as shopping, legal, or financial advice. Always do your own research before purchasing from any online store or platform. Looking at the domain registration, Mogalyde.com was registered in January 2025 and is currently set to expire in January 2027. That means the website has been online for more than a year, which is generally more reassuring than a domain created only weeks or months ago. While domain age alone doesn't prove legitimacy, scam websites often disappear quickly, so a longer registration history is a slightly positive indicator. However, there are still a few reasons to remain cautious. One noticeable concern is the complete lack of independent customer feedback. At the time of this review, Mogalyde has no reviews on Trustpilot, making it difficult to verify whether customers actually receive their orders or how the company handles shipping, returns, and refunds. Another point worth mentioning is the product catalog itself. Like many overseas general stores, Mogalyde sells a wide variety of unrelated products under one website, from kitchen supplies to automotive accessories and gardening tools. This business model is fairly common among drop-shipping retailers, where products are sourced from third-party suppliers rather than manufactured by the company itself. While that doesn't automatically mean the store is unreliable, shipping times and product quality can sometimes vary. It's also important to keep expectations realistic. The website promotes features such as free shipping and quality assurance, but without verified customer reviews, it's difficult to independently confirm how consistently those promises are fulfilled. So, is Mogalyde.com legit? Based on the available information, there are no obvious signs proving that Mogalyde is a scam, but there also isn't enough independent evidence to confidently recommend it. The site provides contact information, has a domain that's over a year old, and lists business details, which are all positive signs. On the other hand, the absence of customer reviews and limited online reputation make it difficult to judge the overall shopping experience. If you decide to place an order, it's a good idea to use a payment method that offers buyer protection, such as a credit card or PayPal. Start with a small purchase rather than a large order, and carefully review the return policy before checking out. Overall, Mogalyde.com appears to be a low-profile online retailer that requires caution rather than immediate trust. Until more verified customer experiences become available, shoppers should proceed carefully and make informed purchasing decisions.